Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I will show you one camera, Canon. This is on second hand item. This camera is looking for nice. See guys. This camera model. Then back side. It's good working but don't have battery and charger. Canon EOS 1100 model. See guys, don't have battery. This one lens. So guys, anybody want, please contact me. Thank you. I'll give you my number. Anybody want, please contact me and share my page and channel, subscribe my channel. Guys, say looking for nice Canon camera, DSLR camera, only don't have charger and battery. See guys, so guys, thank you. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel. Thank you.